Johnny of TV3 waka assembly. Eye me de pa. As the also communication minister for wetman control here. Ope agenda bi edi. Maboma ye enti abo afon kan to na ye ba.
Oniado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchen papa e de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubu nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda
Ahwefo medam wase akoti aboafo kan to aba ba eslewusu aka asem na eslewusu enka asem yo ma wahu nsem bia no ensem bi kokoso hu se wotie me conversation na woni me wo life na wotie me here there is an issue, there is a statement that has gone on but enye me na me kan Johnny make a statement on TV3 or say you I have evidence I have things you have done and balan kofo we your power bukai video pictures I nam social media Akufo nam kofo fie wo fufuo eni brewafo di banku woni Bawumia na ye boss pan na ene o kan mire bi Akufo baby na papa ko krebi ko chia no pa ni ye nsa bona so security ma bona so pata mo hia power no hia san kofo we. This is trying to tell Ghanaians say tina no pe me shasim bisa se wo botom mo te sen oni pe bi obeba power bia hwe wo botom hwe wo botom as ordinary Ghanaian, not an MPP or NDC bamba. Dream was say MPP and NDC as ordinary as you are, who put to be a saint our mining. How will your pocket go? Say now go to Kombe and no na me person me bisa. Because coming to the fact, Johnny said, I know, I have evidence against you. I know you, Mami Yaslowusu, you and the president and your plans. Whatever you people are investigating, I know your plans. But you remember, when you went to Dansoma and sat with people and NKK with them, made them believe you would take care of the ordinary Ghanaians. But Mami Yaslowusu, just Ghana card. A communication person like you, of the telecommunication, you cannot, oh, Mami Esle, you cannot even communicate to Ghanaians. I don't know how communicative you are, and they give you that minister to be in that position. Me name ya utumi here, ni a mouse that position, no. Mami Esle, communication post, why the mouth went to me with the American for. You couldn't hold this position. Wow! Johnny said, it is underground and it is alleged you want to be the vice president in case Bawumia wants the 2024 black rights for MPP. Who better we are running mate for Bawumia? Is that your plan? Mami Slay, I don't know who is deceiving this party, especially the Achimafia or the president, appointing people that Ghanaians already have problem with. One go gas the Kennedy our person di power to running mate ni akasa onu poye wa go fon konfu a omu ni Ghana for kasa omu kasa Ghana for se men gas omu kasa te se omu ti omu jana so e no omu hu se ni omu kasa won se ukọ jana so na se ni opa obeya obeji jana egu fom sebe sa na omu kasa sa konfu we e na mbedi Ghana for so compare running mate na sebe Ghana for say Nyansa Klebi and vice president in it. No, say there is difference between theory and practicals and the reality of the physicality of Ghana. They said that we brought for a bar. No, much Bawumia say Bawumia. Instead of so we for running better. What Tina Sina said we were gain. Nyansa won it. No, knew the difference between theory of a book and the practical standards. Say me say the yanu, say the economic equa. This is the physical measures. This is the rightful and emergency measures I be taking. Me to me here. One kofo obiana say eni na mususuma say a wo kofa eslo usu. Hey. Eslo usu. The oka tell me no say one register with Ghana card now. Wo de ye wo ganketi. Say wo register o sim no. O to one na wo to credit, I won register it. Ni ati credit dey free school. Just say ye twe waso. Now the rate say there are 40 million people on Ghana SIM cards registration. Now you put 14 million pen here. It is just one do obey ni. The Ghana for almost about 30. If for say 28 abroad. Ghana for 28 million abroad of a panish with this ego management. Meaning, I don't know. Looking at government and buy a more power. Now come kasada. But only in this government in power. And when they are talking, they talk like Omunya bad time. But see, Ghana how we have educated literate and uneducated illiterates. And educated illiterate, as much as I want to say, educated illiterate are working in this country. Here, you bet me book munyansa. But sebi efie ya ntetiwa. Utumi your baba jina baby. Na wo kasa na wo refuse. Uni aman e na kasa. Ebia wa adwin be yourself. Uni uniam mema bi ana wo school call bi na school. E no nyo mu kasa. Kasa kire Ghana for anyhow by ego power. Na mu kasa se ne amu pe. Mama yesla. John is say wo. Is that what is your plan? Is that what the president is trying to tell you? Your time will come. We shall see. With you, you've not said enough. You have not done enough like Bawumia. You are even the West attached to the Wester. You are the West attached to the Wester. Poto. Adi aye poto. Ni adi atecha account. Sanity. Bawumia and the slow to combine. Ghana for 7 countries say. I have to say adia aye poto. Ni adi atecha. Asabe tafle account. Sanity. Ghana for na me catch you say aha aye Ghana sem. Ghana sem dey say nsema e pick up the mind and ye dey bro. We will tell you what is going on. We will tell you the fact what is going on in the country. The team amumu say enye nsem bia ba ye nsem and ye nsem papa. Ye nsem. So that here and flow bia me say free need trophy. Need trophy so oba no abebo chance so ama. Ye ba be quality staffs. Emra etwem ye boy touching chance de be ku ye des na akoppa no etwem etutongua na eliki fa plan bo no etwem ni truth so obeye dwuma pa e de yama proper roofing quality roofing furnished roofing omonama le gu ase ono fra omo they will come and do the right thing for you. I'm a catch now say Ghana ye ni abre sebe yan to aba mankofuo bia sebe wo kire sebe wo ni nyansa wo Ghana yeso ye be yet say yeso ye ni nyansa ye nto aba ma so wo kire Ghana for say wo ni nyansa sebe yeso ye be ka kire wo say yeso ye ni nyansa ye nto aba ma wo ye wise kire ya yeso ye be ye wise. That is how they say any omoko. Some say youth ni lazy. Yeso ye be try say lazy youth. They don't vote for hard-working politicians. And politicians who talk by words. Sani ebeyam Ghana ejinemu tinemu ye kasa yen ensi Ghana ebeye yi nanso ebeye yi a ebejinemu kaka. America was not built just in a day. It came out with great people doing to try to do the best. In na ebeboa Ghana ebeye yi. Now me catch you say if you want to sponsor this program, you have any advertisement, you have anything you are selling, any product, if you just want to, you like this program, you want to sponsor it, this is the number under it. Xposed it. Call us. When you indeed try and communicate with us. Call us. We are always available to give you the good reception that you need, and we'll help you to advertise your product. Aha, Ghana same. Me am Jimmy Dream within the limo, Elikem Kwame and Ghana. Near catch us and summer air cost or Ghana. The beer the bebro, and somebody had also answer me. Later this afternoon, there is another issue coming on. It's just one issue. Shabu shabu, but alive. The prince me. A catch was a medu is here. Me am Jimmy. A camera more dynamici. Men made your per mapa. The dindy quabna. Kweku, na mese kwabna. Kweku almost with Derek. The Derek needy almost the end. I am mad look no. The manager name director ba kope. Na the Filla board, na your boy. Ono si editing manager nechi. Na odi nyoma na ebre onyoma huni na ono ano de ba wati ase. Ono ano de ba wati ase nyame adase. Ai hwehwe entuni to be for notification bell na to. Na to Xposed trend so a. Me ni wonua ba. Me nua me se fa application bra. Wonua ba bi. Me nua ba papa bi. Na ma Empress ba kope. Ohima Empress ba kope. No jina na me no be jina so. Near the Xposed trend for brewa. And then we didn't chili and all probably more people. Onim say abai man here bo be gane. I hate to say Job no. That no Job you dey catch and say social to dia. Why don't you curse God and die? So I no say na make say ya sema. Pra o say ke. I say eh me ni ali mo na me ni o. Ai na me ti me di wo ye dem. Me di wo si ya. Me catch you say jasende. Ye peseshia. Xposed it. No Ghana and beyond. Bye-bye.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensin papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubu nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no